Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we from Group 5 Subject Numerical Method, Section 4, want to represent about our project, which is the prediction for the missing water level using Newton divided difference formula. So, for our group member, we have 5 group members, which is 2 boys and 3 girls. My name is Muhammad Faiz Firdaus bin Zahari. My matrix number is CF220016. Today, I want to present about introduction. Water level is the height of a water surface in river, lake, reservoir, and other bodies of water. The importance of water level is environmental protection, irrigation management, and flood forecasting. Precise assessment and forecasting of water level facilitate efficient management of water resources that alleviate the consequences of flooding. Water level prediction and analysis are frequently performed using sophisticated method and instruments such as Newton divided difference method. Background: Interpolation is used to solve the problem of estimating value between discrete data points. The goal of interpolation is to use the discrete data point at hand to generate a continuous and smooth representation of a function or data set. And Newton divided difference is a mathematical technique primarily used in numerical analysis and interpolation. The main reason we use this method is to find the missing water level that happened in Parikarjo. So for the problem statement is to find the predict data of missing water level at Parit Kaljo using Newton divided difference method. The information was gathered from 6 months in 2023 during the construction that happened in Parit Kaljo. By utilizing the Newton divided difference method, we can construct a polynomial that fit the non-water level data. So for the objective, we have 3 objectives. First, to calculate the predict data of missing water level at Parit using Newton divided difference method. Second, to predict the right time for us to do construction near the Parit And lastly, to create an interpolation function that is practical for users in real-world scenario.
Hello, my name is Nurisha Farha binti Muhammad Nurhisham and my matrix number is TF220174. Now, let's talk about Phyla table. For the fact of this project, we predict the missing water level for 3 years and using mathematical method. Also, the historical data for water level is available for 3 years and it is still relevant. So, for the ideas, we use Newton's divided difference method to estimate the missing water level. This method should be done by interpolate the missing data point by creating a polynomial based on the data point that exists. From this mathematical method, we can learn on how to apply Newton's divided difference method in real situation and would have a better understanding. Other than that, we can understand on how to validate the result of the interpolation. And lastly, for the action, we have to gather historical water level data from the past year and apply Newton's divided difference. Next, we have to calculate divided difference and use them to construct the interpolation polynomial. Lastly, compare the predicted water level with similar historical trend or non-benchmark to assess the accuracy of the prediction.
Feature review. Newton divided difference interpolating method is widely used for curve fitting and data approximation. The technique offers a reliable tool for precisely estimating intermediate value between known data points in application. So as you can see, this is the example of Newton divided difference table, which is we have x0 to x4. That is in table 1. As you can see, we have the first Newton divided difference, the second Newton divided difference, the third Newton divided difference, and lastly the fourth Newton divided difference. And this is the formula to calculate the Newton divided difference.
Hello, my name is Hatip Roshadi bin Abdul Rahman, CF220013. I will continue with the methodology. Based on the study, we applied the knowledge of mathematics to find the missing data needed to predict the missing water level. From the study that been conducted, there are missing data for the water level. To predict the value of the missing data, the value is predicted by using the method of Newton's divided difference formula. From the data that we predicted, we will know the value of the missing data and how accurate it is. For the location of the study, we have chosen Parit Karjo River located at Srigading, Batu Pahat, Johor. The data of the water levels taken from the water station website from early 2022 to early 2024. To find the missing data from the early 2023 by using Newton divided difference formula. This is the flow of methodology. First, we record the data rainfall from early 2022 to early 2024. Then we construct the Newton's divided difference table, insert data, calculate the Newton's divided difference, putting all the result into Newton's divided difference table, construct the Newton's interpolator divided difference polynomial, and finally we analyze the answer.
Hi, I am Surani. GF220183 will continue with calculation part. Since we want to predict the best duration for construction, so we need to turn back and review starting from 3 years back, which contain the range that have received rainfall and flooding. Since we know Malaysia facing with major problem of monsoon season, so we separate into early and late month of these 3 years. The data have been analyzed and summarized like in this slide. All the data obtained from my public info banjir. We believe that mostly monsoon season occurs in late month, but we know that Batu Pahat itself facing the flood at March of 2023. So, since we put the missing data on early year of 2023, so we can use Newton divided difference as in this slide. Next, to perform this method, we need to follow this step. Firstly, construct Newton's divided difference table as in this slide. To get the Fi0, Fi1, Fi2, and Fi3, we use the Newton divided difference formula. The range of f is depending on how much the I have. Then, after gaining the value, we can construct Newton's divided difference polynomial by using the formula as shown. Since we're searching for xi2, so the final answer is 0.8201.
Hi, my name is Nunada Binta Marazib and I will continue for discussion part. Based on result obtained, we can consider that early 2023 have experienced in a lot of rain. We can consider it as in level of warning since it exceeds average value of water level which is more than 0.8 meter for 6-month average and can be danger level if facing flood. This proved with the situation of Batu Pahat that having flood on March 2024 which the reading every day mostly exceeds dangerous value which is 2.1 meter.
Hi, we meet again here in conclusion part. For this data, we can see that water level varies significantly throughout the year due to natural weather pattern. Our recommendation is to plan construction activities during mid-year. Historically, this period show lower water level, reducing the risk of flooding and allowing the safer and more efficient project execution. Strategically, by aligning construction activities with this nature, we can minimize risk and optimize our work schedule. This proactive approach ensures that we harmonize our activity with nature's rhythm, leading to better outcome. In conclusion, based on historical data, mid-year is the best period for future construction project in Batu Pahat. This timing aligns with lower water level and safer condition, making it optimal choice. Thank you for your attention and bye!